We're at the Audubon Zoo. It's Wednesday, August 20th. We're about to get some killer bees out of this hive right here. You can see they kind of flying all around me, giving me all kinds of warnings. Now I did just regular Italian bees, little feral colony. So it's been in this tree since before Isaac, right? And but Isaac blew the tree down. So today we're gonna go ahead and cut the tree open with the chainsaw, and we're gonna get them situated in a hive box right here. Give them time to orient to the box, and then we'll take them out later this evening. Hope y'all enjoyed the video. How's that, tree man?
Sounds good to me.
All right. Oh, that don't sound good.
I know, I just told you rain's coming.
Well, I didn't know it was coming that quick. All right, well, I cleared this area right here. We're about to get into it, folks, but I don't know if you can hear that thunder coming through. We might have to wait a couple minutes. It looks good over here, though, Daniel.
Yeah, it's coming from right there. I'll pull up.
It's kind of over, so
I'll pull the radar up.
Maybe we should wait on this a little bit. Got bees! Lauren, you just let me know if just put your hand up like this. If you feel like the birds are getting upset and I need to stop, okay? A little bee activity, but a lot of small hive beetles, it looks like. There's a little bit of comb right in here. Zoom in a little bit. See it in there? Some termite carton nest right there too. Alright, try to go ahead and cut this longitudinally. That's a tongue twister. And see if we can't pick a section of the top of it out. Alright. So far so good with the birds, huh?
Yeah, no problem.
Alright. Check out the size of that grub right there, folks. You want to make them birds happy?
What is that?
It's a type of bee.
Really? I don't know if we're allowed to, because they're on strict diets. But
So expose a little bit of the hive on this end, and gonna have to open up a chunk here. And seems like they got a little. I don't know if they got riled or they got happy actually. Since I removed some of that debris that was sitting on top of the hive, but haven't taken any stings yet, and had to hit them with smoke a little bit, maybe just to keep them honest. Well, let's get back to it. This tree is in seriously bad shape, and it's a mess. I think what I'm gonna do is put the hive box on that end, clean it up a little bit, and I'm probably gonna go ahead and use the repellent and just try to run them to the box. And so I'll be looking for the queen, see if we can't cage her in the process of them running into the hive. But I think that's what we're gonna do next. All right, folks, you can see the setup. I have some honeybee going that Scott Derrick, a good buddy of mine, makes out of South Carolina. You can buy this product online, honeybeegone.com. I've been using it for about 4 years or so, and hasn't let me down yet. So it's got a good smell to it also. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and try to get these girls running. I'm gonna give them some smoke. That'll get them running that way as well, and then we'll come behind them with the honeybee going. I'm gonna take me a quick little mini break and let them settle down for a few minutes. There's a big ball of bees right underneath that piece of bark that I'm using as a little bridge, and she's probably underneath there, would be my guess.
Billy is a hyacinth macaque. 22 years old. Macaques can live between 55 to 60 years, and they can also fly around 25 to 30 miles an hour. Now we're going to go through here a little fast because there's a little honeybee nest in there full of wet milk. Stay put.
Alright, let's see if we can't find that queen. I think I know where she is. Queen catcher, ready? Tell you what, a lot more bees in this colony than I thought. But we got them heading in the right direction now. There she is. She just ran. Oh, she's long. She's wow, she's unusual looking. She's got a long abdomen, but it's skinny and pointy. Very unusual looking queen. And when she ran in, she was on this corner, and look, the majority of the bees are on this end. I said she's long and pointy. Alright. Took me about 3-4 different tries to find her. She's a little smaller than I thought she was, but she is kind of slender and pointy. But there she is. See her near that longer one? I'll put her on one of those frames, and I'll secure the thing on the frame with rubber bands, and I'll leave her cage for about 2 or 3 days. And what that does is it allows the bees to start drawing out comb in the box, and they start making that their new home. Because let's just say I set them up in one of my bee yards, and they decide, well, you know, we don't really like this box, and they want to leave. Well, if she's not caged, she's going with her, and you lose the hive. Well, if they leave and she's caged, they got to come back. The first one I did here was in the gift shop, and the bees made green honey from the snowball syrup. Yeah,
yes.
Yeah, it was pretty cool.
I had some. It was
You had some of that?
Yeah, it was good.
All right, well, I'm JP.
Appreciate it. Thank you. My name
Your
is
name?
Randy.
Randy?
Yeah,
Trey? All right, brother.
Thanks.
Hey, y'all have a good one. I appreciate y'all stopping by.
You too, man.
Enjoyed
All
it.
right.
Y'all take care now.
All right, man.
Have a good one.
You good at what you do?
Oh, well, you got to be pretty much.
Yeah, I see that.
Thank you, though. Put this in. All right. Okay. All right, we're gonna give them a little smoke, and then put our cover on, and as they say, that'll be that. Okay. Fantastic. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Another one from JPthebeeman at the New Orleans Audubon Zoo. From a tree section to a hive body. It's a nice day, late August. It's a little warm, but I enjoyed every minute of it, and I hope you did too. Until the next one, y'all take care.